morning, guys. I'm actually driving right now and going to do this car review, and I will give you some hint what sort of car that I'm really driving right now at the moment. Right? It's a car that really a lot of people still prefer to have this car as a daily driven, or could be for competition use, right? And from the sound of it, I'm sure you guys already know what sort of car that I'm driving right now. It's actually a natural aspirated engine car. Okay, it's a natural aspirated, and believe it or not, there's 6 speed.
What?
6 speed in this car.
Okay!
I know you guys will be a bit weird and find funny. What sort of car that does have a 6-speed gearbox? Not purposely built for some sort of competition. Okay, there's roll cage inside, there's a handbrake here, and I believe when you can see this handbrake, which can mean 2 things. Okay, 1, it could be a dream car, 2, it could be a rally car. I don't know, right? It doesn't get old, even though it's a very old car. It's about like more than 30 years old right now. Most importantly, last have aircon. Air condition. Well, this car can actually rev to 9,000 RPM. 9,000. Can you imagine that? 9,000 RPM. Is it still a 4AG? I'm not so sure. Let's check it out later, right? It's not really easy to drive this kind of car, and it's actually very challenging to get in and out of for a fat guy like me now. So as you can see here, even though you can actually just take out the what do you call this, steering, it's a quick release steering, but still coming in and out from a bucket seat is not really easy for a fat guy like me. Yeah, so I would advise if you can actually get yourself slimmer so you can go into the car easier, right? So let's check the car, yeah? The moment of truth. Music! Hey, now we are back. This is a AE86 with a S2000 engine, which people call it the F20C. And I know this owner. I mean, I've been friends with this owner for like quite some time, since we were in high school, and then after that we come out together and play drift together. And I've seen from how he actually started to buy this car, and actually he built this car from scratch, alright? And you know, if you've seen in the Initial D movie, there's this guy called Amo. I forgot what's his name he called in English, right? He's actually driving an AE85 with a 3AU engine. This is actually used to be a 3AU engine. Then after that he changed it to 4AG, 16 valve, and he's actually, I can say, he's a hardcore NA driver, where he loves NA power so much. So basically he go buy another engine, which is a 4AG 20 valve, and he's using that engine for quite some time, for drift competition most of the time, and he's actually quite satisfied with that power. But eventually something pops up. He decided to do even bigger, because why? If he spent a lot of money in the 4AG engine to build up to 200 horsepower, it will cost him quite a lot. I think more than that, more than about 80,000 ringgit or more than that, right? So he decided to get something special, so which is the F20C with the 6-speed gearbox of the S2000 car. And from that engine itself, it can actually generate about 250 horsepower, right? And the engine itself can actually rev up to 9,000 RPM. Will you believe that? And plus, it's a VTEC!
豆腐佬，其實你個86都用到殘㗎啦，趁而家副計瓜咗，咪順便換個價咯，仲整乜鬼啊？你唔係想將呢副嘢裝落個86度啊嘛？着唔着？呢副鬼係落場㗎喎，你唔係差人拉啊？你個癲佬啊！
Much of a respect for maintaining such a very old car with a very good condition inside, and of course with a damn good engine in this car. I mean, it's out of this world. It's really out of this world. What can be better than that, right? 250 horsepower for a very lightweight car, and yeah, it's a daily driven car with much of excitement when you're pressing on the throttle. And earlier on I did mention about, a lot of people have been using this car for a lot of occasions. It could be racing on a track, it could be racing on a drift, it could be rallying. Used to be in the 90s, during the 90s people used this car for rallying. And recently what I found out that earlier this year there's a guy, he's actually driving this car, alright, not this car, this is this model AE86, and surprisingly that car is actually bought it from Sabah, and what he planned to do right now is actually on the way to Germany. From Malaysia, driving from Malaysia to Germany using a stock AE86 car, right, with not much of a modification to the car. Going to drive all the way to Germany to propose to his fiancée. How good is that? To create a memory, so much so, with this car. And I can say that I really enjoy driving this AE86 power. Any power AE86. When you press on the throttle, it does really give you the urge, right? The urge to drive fast because of the sound of the throttle, right? And as you can see right now in engine bay, the engine, they are not using the cold air intake anymore, right? They are using this thing, they call it the ITB, individual throttle body, instead of just one single throttle body. And all these four single, the throttle body plus VTEC power. That's heaven, dude. That's this owner of this car, he's actually got influenced by a lot of the drifters from Japan, especially this. I'm not sure whether you guys still remember this guy called Yukio Kazuhiro. He's a freak. I can say that he's a freak, and he's damn good in driving his AE86, drifting, competing with a lot of turbo cars, or even much higher, 2 times, 3 times more horsepower than his car. And he's really crazy, and he really fully utilized the car's capability, the limit of the car, and he doesn't say there's a limit to the car. He always really fully utilize the car's capability, the engine power, everything, and suspension. Can do amazing stuff, right? Amazing stuff during drifting. And of course, I can say he's the clutch kick king. And you get why? Because he really kicked the ass out of the clutch kick and doesn't give a damn whether it will last long or not. What he wants the car to maintain the drift. So yeah, that's what he does for a really power car. But what I can say is this owner did a really great job in getting this car done with the 250 horsepower F20C engine inside, right? So he doesn't have any issues with the power anymore right now, and it's really giving him the excitement. I mean, truly excitement. Even I myself, when I drive this car, I always press the throttle with a smile. Okay, with that, everything that you have seen right now and all the introduction about this car itself, I also would like to thank you for the owner who borrowed me this car for today, doing this video shot and also the review, and also wish the good luck to Ajit Hadri, the person who's driving the AE86 all the way from Malaysia to Germany, and wish him a safe drive and get to marry his love of his life in Germany. Alright, check it out. The view.